Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the Blueant X3D MAX Bluetooth speaker. It is one of a new speaker model released by Blueant. On the packaging I can see that it has some amazing features like 4 active speaker drivers to produce good sound quality. Also it has a built-in microphone, Bluetooth 5.3, rapid charging feature and more. Overall a good product packing design. Let us proceed to check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, I can find one user guide. A box of accessories is also included, along with the X3D MAX speaker, all packed neatly and professionally in the product packaging. It has a sleek design element to it. Tall standing and elegant in black. Near the base, I can find the charging port along with the AUX port, covered by a rubber cover. At the back there are control buttons which we will explore more later on. Let's power on by simply holding down the power button to get the device powered up. Press the Bluetooth key to get it into Bluetooth mode. Now on my device go to the Bluetooth settings and pair it with the X3D MAX. After connected I can now enjoy and play music as and when I like. Here is an actual audio test music played on the speaker. As you can hear earlier from the demo, I feel that the sound quality is good, the music is clear, and it has a powerful 40-watt speaker. The control buttons also work as you can see here. Plus and minus keys can be used to turn volume up and down, while the other key can be used to pause and play music on my phone. Works well. The Blueant X3D MAX has IP67 waterproof ratings as stated on the box, meaning it's waterproof to a certain extent. I can use it and carry it around without worrying too much with this waterproof rating. Great. It has a powerful bass to it, good feature as I can jam to my favorite beats with the amazing bass it produces. Overall, I find the Blueant X3D MAX Bluetooth speaker an amazing speaker with good functionality and quality. I love the bass it produces and the audio quality. This brand is something different from what I used in the past, in terms of better sound quality and better product quality. If you want to find out more about this speaker, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.